Okay, it's the next video. So look at this, guys. It's the same thing. Your C is still negative, so that means we will get two different number, right? One positive, one negative. But this time, when you combine those two numbers, you break it down, and when you combine, the sum supposed to be negative number. All right. So let's take a look. So I'm gonna go to 6 again. Our 6, that was 1, 6, 2, 3, and then you're looking for negative 6. So just keep in mind one of the numbers is supposed to be negative, but I just want to find the two pair first. Two pair. So think about it, guys. How can you get 5? Actually negative 5. So just look at the positive number. That's easy for you, right? So difference is 5. Difference is 5. Then that will be 1 and 6. Guys, don't get confused with that. 2 and 3, when you add, you can get 5. But this time, what do you have here? You have minus here. So 1 and 6 is right, because you need to find the difference. Difference, that is 5, right? And then we decide the sign. How can I get negative 5? Negative 5. If you have negative sign over here, then you will get positive 5. So look, negative 6 and 1, then you can make it negative 5, right? So my number, let's check. If I have 1 and negative 6, multiply negative 6, add negative 5, right? So these are my two numbers. So 6 and 1, right? Difference is 5, but we want to make it negative 5. So negative here. Okay? And then let's look at this. 36. So I'm going to go to 36. It's over here. And this time what? Your difference is 5. Difference is 5. So look, which one makes 5? It's 4, 9. Right? 4, 9. And think about it. How can I get negative 5? Then negative 9 and 4. So you know what, guys? When you break down the number, right? And then here, that's positive. Then just make your bigger number positive. When they are always have the same sign. Bigger numbers on your two factors, your bigger number have the same sign as B. If this is positive, that's positive. If this is negative, then your bigger number will be negative. So you don't have to, but if you write your number in order, then like that could be a little easier to think. And look at the next one. So 35, negative 35, and I want to get negative 2, right? So I'm going to break it down first. 135, 2 does not work, 3 nope, 5 and 7, that's it. And I want to get 2, then difference is 2, so it's 5, 7, right? And then you want to get negative 2, so negative 7 and 5, like that. So you know, once you get your two numbers, then that's, you just write it, then you're done with the factoring, right? And next one, negative 14, then that is 1 and 14, 2 and 7, that's it. And my difference is 13, then that is 1 and 14, right? But especially I want to get negative 13, so negative 14 and 1. Okay, so we found all the numbers. Let's look at number 5. Oh, no. Let's look at number 3, guys. Number 3. So negative 13 and negative 14. I use it here. So my number were negative 14 and 1, right? So x minus 14, x plus 1. That's it. And 35 and negative. Oh, that's supposed to be negative 35, guys. This is negative 35. Oops. Fix this one typo. That's negative 35. Fix this one, guys. Oops, that's typo. That's negative 35. And let's keep going. So negative 35 and negative 2. Your two numbers are negative 7 and 5. So, and 5, like this. Alright? And then, oh my god, it's stuck again. So from here, so number 5, let's try this one. So negative 5. I'm gonna use my factor table. So 5, I'm gonna go to 5. Look, difference is 4. You have only one pair. When you subtract, you get 4. So my numbers 1 and 5, right? And then you can do what? 1 positive, 1 negative, right? 1 positive, 1 negative. And I told you, bigger number take the same sign as this. So you can just do this. That's fine. Alright? And this one, 24. So you go to 24. 24. And then your difference is 5. So look at the number. How can you get 5? 3 and 8. Right? 3 and 8 makes 5. So those are my number. What do? You write bigger number first. And same sign over here. And you need to get two different signs. So negative 8 and plus 3. If you like this, you can do this. I'm just showing you like as much as possible. Alright? So, and now I want to go to 44. 44, right? And do you see this minus? So you need to think about the difference, and your difference is 7. So what? 4, 11. That makes 7, right? And all you need to do is write the bigger number, x, and 4, and put the same sign on the bigger number. Alright? And you have to get different sign, because that's negative 44. When you multiply, you're supposed to get the negative number. And look, 9, so you go to 9. You go to 9, and you want to get 8. So it's 1 and 9, right? 1 and 9, and that one's minus, that one's plus. Because this is minus here, so same, right? Minus, same. That works only you write the bigger number first, alright? But if you don't like it and you're like kind of confident doing numbers, then it's not gonna be the problem to you, alright? So guys, this is it. So when was it? Today's Friday. So Wednesday and today we learned about how to factor trinomial, quadratic trinomial, and that's so important. That's so important. So I want you to master this one. If you don't master this at this time, next year you will do it again. Pre-calculus, you will do it again. Calculus, you will do it again. So this is like basic of the basic. So this time I want you to learn it. So if you don't get it, you need to let me know. Alright? And I'm gonna spend enough time to understand this. Okay? So please do your homework. I mean, not today. So today you just like think about this and review yesterday's work. Alright? And then on Monday, next Monday, I'm gonna put some homework of this, and then you try that one. And if you have any question, then probably I'm gonna have another review session on Tuesday. Okay? Alright guys. And you know, for the today's lesson quiz, at the beginning of the class I talk about something like I took a nap, something about that one. So yeah. I'm not gonna let you watch the question, but something about that one. I told you I just woke up, right? At the beginning of the lesson on the video 1, I said it. So if you forget it, then go back and check it. Okay? Alright, guys, have a good day. Stay safe. And I love you. I miss you. Bye bye.